Hello, creative friends. We are Jane and Sonja from Sustain My Craft Habit. We're two sisters and we've been crafting a whole lifetime, but we started a blog about 5.5 years ago where we decided to share all of the things that we make, primarily using upcycled materials or things that have inspired us from nature or that we've collected on the beach. On the beach or outside.
We are so glad you've stopped by for a visit and hope you take a moment to poke around. On our channel here, you will find videos for home decorating ideas, gift ideas, crafts for your family, crafts just because. DIYs, like how to install floors.
Yeah, or build an outdoor shower.
Yeah, and when we're feeling particularly ambitious, we even will share whole room makeovers. You can find a kitchen makeover, a bathroom makeover.
But we hope that it inspires you to also get crafting or start DIYing, whatever it is that you're thinking about. There's a lot of joy in just making something. So we hope that we can inspire you to start and get creative.
Over the coming months, we're aiming to share more upcycling projects, more sewing projects. Sonja's an amazing sewist, some additional Cricut crafts, and really we'd love to hear from you about what you would like to see. So leave a comment on any of our videos or stop by on our blog, sustainmycrafthabit.com. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.